Silence isn't weakness, it's psychological dominance. The moment you stop explaining yourself, people start respecting you. Have you ever noticed how some people can walk into a room and instantly command respect without saying a word? While others, perhaps even you, constantly find themselves interrupted, ignored, or treated like an afterthought. It's not bad luck, it's a lack of psychological boundaries. In the world of dark psychology, respect isn't something you ask for. It's something you force the world to give you by controlling how you are perceived. Today, we aren't just talking about saying no. We are talking about the ruthless psychological shifts that end disrespect forever. If you want to stop being a target, listen closely. Point 1. The availability trap, devaluing your presence. The first reason people disrespect you is simple. You are too available. In psychology, there is a concept called scarcity value. When something is always there, its value drops to 0. If you reply to every text in seconds, say yes to every favor, and are always the one to reach out, you are signaling that your time has no value. And if your time has no value, you have no value. The fix: start practicing strategic absence. Don't be the first to speak. Don't be the one who fills the silence. Let them wonder where you are. As the Stoics say, your presence is a gift. Stop giving it away for free to those who haven't earned it. Point 2. The mirroring effect. They treat you how you treat yourself. People are social predators. They subconsciously scan you for weaknesses before they decide how to treat you. If you apologize for taking up space, if you use weak language like "I'm sorry, but," or "Does that make sense?" you are giving them permission to step over you. The fix: use the mirroring effect. If someone interrupts you, don't stop talking. Maintain your pace and volume. If someone makes a joke at your expense, don't laugh to be polite. Stare at them in silence for 3 seconds, then ask, what was the goal of that comment? Watch how fast their power evaporates. Point 3. The Stoic Shield, emotional immovability. Disrespect is often a test. People want to see if they can rattle your cage. When you get angry, defensive, or hurt, you lose. You've shown them exactly where your buttons are. The fix: become an emotional void. When someone tries to disrespect you, respond with the Stoic Shield. Give them nothing. No anger, no smile, just a calm, detached observation. When you are unshakable, you become dangerous. People don't disrespect what they can't influence. Point 4. The power of the final no. The most powerful boundary is the one you are willing to walk away from. If you set a rule and don't enforce it, you aren't setting a boundary. You're making a suggestion. Dark psychology teaches us that the person most willing to walk away holds all the power. If someone disrespects your boundary, there shouldn't be a second warning. There should be a consequence. Distance is the loudest message you can send. Respect is a reflection of the standards you set for yourself. If you allow the world to treat you like a doormat, don't be surprised when they start cleaning their boots on you. Which of these shifts are you going to implement today? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to reclaim your power, subscribe to Quite Human Truths. Stay dangerous.